हेलो गाइस, आप लोग कैसे हो। मैं जीत प्रताप यादव आप लोगों के लिए नई वीडियो लेके आ गया। आज इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 10th कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ कार्बन? आंसर इज द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 6, इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज 2 4. K cell have 2 electron, L cell have 4 electron. Electronic configuration is 2 4. Question number 2. Why does carbon form covalent bond? Carbon has 4 electron in its Carbon has 4 electrons. It can neither lose 4 electrons, require high energy, nor gain 4 electron, cannot be hold 10 electron. Hence, it share electron to form covalent bond. Question 2. Why does carbon form covalent bond? Answer: carbon has 4 valence electron. It can neither lose 4 electron, require high energy, nor gain 4 electron. In nucleus cannot hold 10 electron. Hence, it share electron to form covalent bond. Question number 3. What is a covalent bond? Answer: a chemical bond formed by the mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. Question number 3. What is a covalent bond? A chemical bond formed by mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. Question number 3. What is a covalent bond? A chemical bond formed by mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. Question number 3. What is a covalent bond? A chemical bond formed by mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. Question number 4. Draw the electron dot structure of methane molecule CH4. CH4. Each bond represents shared pair of electrons. Question number 5. Draw the electron dot structure of an oxygen molecule O2. Double bond to share pair. Question number 6. Draw the electron dot structure of nitrogen molecule N2. Triple bond 3 shared pair. Question number 7. Why do covalent compound have low melting and boiling point? Because the intermolecular force of attraction between their molecules. Why are covalent bond compound generally poor? Why do covalent compound have low melting and boiling point? Because the intermolecular force of attraction between their molecule are low. Why are covalent compound generally poor conductor of electricity? Because they do not contain ion or free electron to carry the electron. Question number 9. What is hydrocarbon? A compound made up of hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? A compound made up of hydrogen and carbon only is called hydrocarbon. तो गाइस प्यास लग गई थी मुझे, तो now I had drink water. Now let's start again. Question number 9. What is hydrocarbon? A compound made up of hydrogen and carbon only is called hydrocarbon. Question number 10. What is catenation? The unique property of carbon atom to form bond with other atom of carbon, giving rise to a long chain of branch, chain and ring is called catenation. Question number 11. Why does carbon show the property of catenation to maximum extent? Due to the small size of carbon atom and the strength of carbon-carbon double bond. Question number 12. Name the two other elements that exhibit catenation. Answer is silicon and sulfur. Question number 13. What are isomer? Compound having same molecular formula but different structure formula is called isomer. Question number 14. Give the structural isomer of butane C4H10. Give the question number 14. Give the structural isomer of butane C4H10 and butane straight chain and isobutane branch chain. Question number 15. Question number 15. What are homologous series? A series of organic compound in which successive compound differ by CH2 group, have the same functional group, and show a gradual change in physical property. Question number 16. What is the general formula of alkanes? CnH2n plus 2. Question number 17. What is the general formula for alkanes? Answer is CnH2n. Question number 18. What is the general formula of alkyne? CnH2n minus 2. Question number 18. What is the general formula of alkyne? CnH2n minus 2. What is a functional group? An atom or group of atoms that determine chemical properties of an organic molecule is called functional group. Question number 20. Name the functional group present in acetic acid and alcohol. Carboxylic acid COOH. In acetic acid, functional group COOH, carbonic acid present. B alcohol OH. Question number 21. What is the IPC name of the compound CH3CH2CH2S? Propane 1-ol. Question number 22. Write the structural formula of butanone. CH3CH2COCH3. Question number 23. Write the formula for the functional group of aldehyde CHO. Question number 24. Write the formula for the functional group of the ketone COO. Question number 25. Write the formula for the functional group of the alcohol OH. Question number chemical property of carbon compound. Why are the carbon compound poor conductor of electrons? They are covalent compound and do not contain ions of free electron. Question number 27. Do carbon compound undergo combustion burning? Give an example. Yes. Example CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Question number 28. What is oxidation? Give an example of an oxidation reaction for an alcohol. The addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen from a compound. CH3CH2OH plus O2O CH3COOH plus H2O in presence of alkaline cheminophore. What is the role of alkaline cheminophore or acidified potassium dichromate in the oxidation of alcohol? They act as oxidizing agent. Question number 30. What is the product formed when ethanol is oxidized with alkaline cheminophore? Ethanoic acid CH3COOH is formed. What is addition reaction? Give an example. A reaction in which an unsaturated hydrocarbon add a molecule like H2Cl2Br2 in the presence of a catalyst to become saturated. Example CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2CH3 in presence of nickel. Catalyst. Question number 32. What is hydrogenation? What is its industrial application. What is hydrogenous? Question number third. What is hydrogenation? What is its industrial application? The addition of hydrogen to an unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is used to convert vegetable oils unsaturated into vanaspati ghee saturated. What is hydrogenation? What is its industrial application? The addition of hydrogen to an unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is used to convert vegetable oils unsaturated into vanaspati ghee saturated. Question number 32. What is the substitution reaction? Give an example. A reaction in which one atom or a group of atom in compound is replaced by another atom or group of atom. Example CH4, Cl2, CH3, Cl plus Cl in presence of sunlight. Question number 34. Question number 34. Why is the reaction between methane and chlorine considered a substitution reaction? Because a hydrogen atom in methane is replaced by chlorine atom. Question number 35. What happens when ethanol is heated with excess concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin? Answer: it undergo dehydration to form ethene CH3 CH2OS CH211CH plus H2 concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin. Question number 30 is: what is the role of concentrated H2SO4 in the above reaction? It acts as dehydrating agent, remove water. Question number 37. What happens when ethanol is heated with concentrated H2SO4 at 413 kilo? Answer: it forms diethyl ether. C2H5OH, C2H5O, C2H5 plus H2O, concentrated H2SO4 at 413 kilo. Question number 3. What is the saturated hydrocarbon? Give an example. Hydrocarbon with one single bond between the carbon atom. Example: methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6. Question number 39. What is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? Give an example. Hydrocarbon with at least one double or triple bond carbon atom. Example: ethene, C2H4, C2H2. Question number 40. How can you distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon chemically? By using bromine water. Unsaturated hydrocarbon decolorize the brown color of bromine water, while saturated hydrocarbon do not. Question number 41. Write the reaction of ethene with bromine water. CH211 CH2 plus Br2. CH2Br CH2Br 1,2 dibromo ethane. Colorless. COLOUR. Colorless. LE. What is catalyst? Question number 40. What is a catalyst? A substance that alters the rate of chemical reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. Question number 42. What is a catalyst? A substance that alters the rate of chemical reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. Answer number 43. Name the catalyst used in the hydrogenation of oils. Nickel, NiCl. Question number 44. What is the common name and IUPAC name of the simplest carboxylic acid? Answer: common name acetic acid, IUPAC name ethanoic acid. Question number 40. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? COOH. Question number 46. What is the common name and IUPAC name of the CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH? Meth, 8 pro butanoic acid. Common name is butyric acid. IUPAC name is butanoic acid. Question number 47. What is esterification? Give the general equation. The reaction of The reaction of carboxylic acid with alcohol in the presence of an acid catalyst to form an ester. Acid plus alcohol gives ester plus water. Question number 48. Write the chemical equation for formation of ethyl ethanoate. CH3 COOH gives us CH3 COOC2H5 plus H2O. Question number 49. What is saponification? The alkaline hydrolysis of an ester to give the salt of carboxylic acid, soap, and alcohol. Question number 50. Write the chemical equation for the saponification of ethyl ethanoate. CH3COOC2H5 plus NaOH gives CH3COONA plus C2H5OH. Question part 3. Important carbon compound ethanol and ethanoic acid. What is the common name and IPAC name of C2H5OH? Common name ethyl alcohol, IPAC name ethanol. Question number 52. What happens when sodium metal is dropped into ethanol? Hydrogen gas is evolved. C2H5OH plus 2Na gives C2H5ONaH2O. Question number 53. How would you test for the gas evolved in the above reaction? Bring a burning splinter near the gas. It burned with pop sound, confirming it is a hydrogen. Question number 54. Why is the reaction of sodium with ethanol less vigorous than with water? Because ethanol is weaker acid than water. Question number 55. What is the denatured alcohol? Ethanol mixed with poisonous substance like methanol or copper oxalate to make it unfit for drink. Question number 56. What are the harmful effects of drinking methanol? It can cause severe poisoning leading to the blindness and even death. Question number 57. What is the melting point of pure ethanoic acid? 290 Kelvin, 170 degrees Celsius. It is often freezes during winter in cold climates. It is called glacial acetic acid. Question number 50. What happens when ethanoic acid is added to the sodium bicarbonate? Write the equation. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved with a brisk effervescence. CH3COOH plus NaSCO3 plus CH3COO plus H2O plus CO2. How would you test the gas evolved in the above reaction? Pass the gas through lime water. It turns lime water milky, confirming it is carbon dioxide. Question number 6. What happens when ethanoic acid reacts with a base like NaOH? It forms salt, sodium ethanoate, and water. CH3COOH plus NaOH, CH3COONA plus H2O. Question number 61. What is the common name of the ester formed from the ethanols and ethanoic acid? Ethyl acetate. Question number 62. What are the soaps? Sodium or potassium salt of long chain fatty acid. Example, sodium stearate C17H35COONA plus. What is micelles? A spherical aggregate of soap molecule in water where the hydrophobic tail are in the interior and hydrophilic head are in the on the surface facing water. What is micelles? A spherical What is micelles? A spherical aggregate of soap molecule in water where the hydrophobic tails are in the interior and the hydrophilic head are on the surface facing water. Question number 60. Why do soap form micelles? Because soap molecule have two ends, a hydrophobic and water repelling tail and hydrophilic water attracting heads. Question number 65. What are soap? Why soap are not effective in hard water? Question number 65. Why are soap are not effective in hard water? Because hard water contain calcium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus ion, which react with soap to form an insoluble precipitate called scum. The prevent the formation of leather, which prevent the formation of leather. Question number 65. Why are soap are not effective in hard water? Because hard water contain calcium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus ion, which react with soap to form insoluble precipitate called scum, which prevent the formation of leather. Question number 66. What is scum? An insoluble white precipitate formed when soap react with calcium or magnesium ion present in hard water. Right. Question number 67. Write the reaction of soap sodium stearate with hard water. Answer C17H35 COON plus CaCl2. Calcium C70H35 COO twice whole twice Cu. Calcium stearate scum plus NaCl. What is detergent? Ammonium or sulfonate salt of long chain carboxylic acid is called detergent. They are effective in both soft and hard water. Ammonium or sulfonate salt of long chain fat carboxylic acid. They are effective in both soft and hard water. Question number 69. What are the detergent not why are detergent not why are detergent more effective than soap in hard water? Because the calcium and magnesium salt of detergent are soluble in water, so they do not form scum. Question number 70. What is this one disadvantage of using detergent? Some detergents are not biodegradable and cause water pollution. Question number 71. What is the advantage of soap over detergent? Soap are biodegradable and do not cause water pollution. Question number 17. Why is carbon is what is a carbon skeleton? The chain of carbon atom that form the basic structure of an organic molecules is called carbon skeleton. Question number 73. What is branch chain hydrocarbon? A hydrocarbon in which the carbon atom are not linked in a simple continuous chain but have the side chain attached. It's called branch chain hydrocarbon. Question number 74. What is cyclic hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon in which the carbon atom are arranged in ring. It's called cyclic hydrocarbon. A hydrocarbon in which the carbon atom are arranged in a ring. It's called cyclic hydrocarbon. Give, give the IPC name of formic acid, SCSS, methanoic acid. Part 4. Name the functional name the function group present in the propanol aldehyde CHO. Question number 77. Write the IPC name of the following compound CH3 CH2 CHO propanol. Question number 78. Write the IPC name of the following CH3 CO propanone. Question number 79. Write the IPC name of the following compound CH3 CH2 CH2 C double S. So meth with probute ब्यूटेन प्लस ओइक एसिड है इसमें सी डबल एस फंक्शन तो ओइक एसिड लगता है तो ब्यूटेन ओइक एसिड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. राइट द नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड CH3 CHOS CH3 प्रोपेन टू ऑल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. राइट द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला ऑफ पेंटेनल. yes CH3 CH2 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 CHO. Question number 82. Write the structural formula of hexanoic acid. CH3 CH2 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 C double H. Question number 83. Write the structural formula of heptane 2 on CH3 CO CH2 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 CH. What is the IPC name of acetone? Propanol. Question number 85. What is the IPC name of formaldehyde? Methanol. Question number 86. What is the IPC name of acetaldehyde? Ethanol. A compound X has molecular formula C4H10O. It is used as a fuel and a solvent name X butanone C4H9OS. Now question number 88. A compound X on heating with excess concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin gives an unsaturated compound YY. Can also be obtained by the fermentation of sugar, addify X and Y. X ethanol, C2H5 OH, Y C2H4. Why does carbon form a large number of compounds? Give two example. Example catenation, tetravalency. Question number 19. What are the certain compounds called unsaturated? Because they contain double or triple bond and can add more atom to their molecule. Question number 19. What is a heteroatom? Give an example. An atom other than carbon or hydrogen in an organic compound. Example oxygen is ethanol, C2H5OH, nitrogen in amines. Question number 92. What is a homologous series? Give two characteristics. A series of compounds with the same functional group differing by CH2 in it. Characteristics, same general formula. Gradual change in the physical property. What is the next homologous series? C3H8, C4H10 butane. What is the next homologous of C2H4? C3H6 propane. What is the next homologous of C2H2? C3H4 propane. Question number 96. What is the difference between soap and detergent? Soap are sodium or potassium salt of long chain fatty acid. Detergent are ammonium or sulfonate salt of long chain carboxylic acid. What is the difference between soaps and detergent? Soap are sodium or potassium salt of long chain fatty acid. Detergent or ammonium or sulfonate salt of the long chain carboxylic. Question number 97. Why does micelle formation take place when soap is added to water? To keep the hydrophobic tail away from water and is hydrophilic dead in contact with water. Question number 97. Why does micelle formation take place when soap is added to water? To keep the hydrophobic tail away from water and the hydrophilic head in contact with water. Question number 98. Why does the cleaning action of soap decrease in hard water? Because soap react with calcium and magnesium ion to form insoluble scum, which consume a lot of soap before leather is formed. Question number 99. Why are detergent called soap less soap? Because they have cleaning property like soap but are not actually soap. Salt of fatty acid. Question number 100. What is full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Full name of IPC is and International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. What is full name of IUPC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. I hope this extensive list help you master the chapter carbon and its compound. Guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.